Whirlpool washer. There's a drain pump in here that should be cleaned, I think, at least once a month. Could be all kinds of stuff stuck in there. So there are 2 screws under here. Actually 1, 2, 3. I took one of them out. Let me see if I can turn the light on. There you go. You see one hole, second one under there, right there. There's a screw right there. There's another one right there. Pop those off and it comes down. I'll just take off the lower panel. There's a little drain. You unscrew this. Sometimes there's all kinds of gunk. I just use the same panel to catch whatever water comes out of here. Alright, so a little stuck, but it's okay. There you go. Slowly turn it. Alright, loosens. Obviously, you should plug out. You should unplug your machine before, right? So. Sometimes if your machine isn't draining properly, this could be the reason. This doesn't look too bad actually. I still like to clean it ever so often, perhaps maybe once a month or so. Doesn't look too bad. Feel around in here, there's nothing. Just turn the light on. Yeah, that looks fine actually. Water comes out from the machine here. And this sucks it out and it goes down, goes to your drain through that hose. Those are the dampeners, keep the machine from rocking through the floor. One there, there are 4 of them, 2 on either side. And then this detects if there's a leak or there's water building up here and supposed to shut the machine off. Everything looks dry. Pump. The drain doesn't look clogged. So I'm going to put this back together. Okie dokie.